That base is the base for 1,000 cheesecakes. It is the base for a cheesecake. No bake, no gelatin, cheesecake base. Put anything on. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, a no bake, no gelatin cheesecake base, and you can make 100 cheesecakes. All different toppings, not a problem. This is a base recipe which every cheesecake dessert lover should know how to make. It is so simple. No cooking involved whatsoever, and you use the topping of choice, whether it be fresh or out of a can, a tin, or anything that you have that you've preserved yourself. It's so quick, this recipe. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. Right, these are springform tins. These, oh, turn that round the other way so you can see. These are 7-inch springform tins. That's what we will be using. So we got a springform tin there, and what you have to do is pop your tin, take out the base. Now you can see it's got a ridge. We're flipping it over, no ridge. We're taking some parchment paper and we're sticking that on there, and we're putting our top back on there, and we are zapping it up. Okay, we've zapped it up in there. We've got this lovely smooth lining. Turn it over and just fold that underneath like that. It'll all become apparent in the end. I'm using digestive biscuits. If you use graham crackers, you're going to have to add sugar. These obviously got quite a nice sugar content. The normal digestive biscuits, we're going to give them a break up. Break them all up. We want crushed biscuit. And you would do the same if you were using graham crackers. Now, sugar in this one with digestives is optional because they are quite sweet. So you probably don't need sugar unless you have a very, very sweet tooth. There we go. Take a bowl and dump that lot in there. Melted butter in there. Mix in. Nice and straightforward. Fully incorporate your biscuit mixture with your butter. This is our base. Now if you're having a party or friends around, this is a really fantastic way to make different cheesecakes very quickly. You can make 5 or 6 of these bases, stuck them in the fridge, and then before everybody comes or when they get there, open a can of blueberries, strawberries, or your own fresh, and you add the topping. Come on, so versatile. Okay, our mold, our biscuit base in there. Take a spoon or anything of choice that you can use and flatten down your biscuits in there. So let's have it all evened out a little bit first before we start flattening. Right, pat down, nice and steady, and then we'll start to compress it and smooth it out. I can tell you now, there's absolutely no way I would purchase a cheesecake from anywhere. This is the same principle if you wanted to make small cheesecakes. Exactly the same. Make the biscuit base, squash it in, put it in the fridge to set up. Goes in the fridge for about an hour. That's all. We can carry on. Now of course this is all eyeball job, you know. We're not bothered if it's completely level. We just need a base on the bottom. Nice biscuit base. There you go. That's the first part of this. That goes in the fridge 1 hour. So again, it's very straightforward. Cream in a bowl, either heavy cream or whipped cream. Whipped cream is going to make this a little bit lighter, but that's not a problem. This is whipped cream, so we're going to whip this up, and then we'll start on with some cream cheese. So give this a whipping. Okay, that will do. So that's our whipped cream, one side. In here, cream cheese. We got cream cheese, we want a little splash of vanilla, and we want our powdered sugar in there. And we're going to give that a beat. Nice and steady to start, because this stuff goes everywhere. Let's just bring in the sides, just in case we get any of that powdered sugar up there. Okay, and then all we're doing is folding that cream into there. And when we say folding, just dump it in and stir it in. Now you can do all that foldy if you want, or we'll do this. Now we're not overbeating it, we're just combining. The choice is yours how you want to do it, but that's good enough for me. And we got that nicely combined in there, look. Now we need to get that on our chilled base. So that is our lovely chilled base there, look. Nice and straightforward, set up lovely. That butter's set inside those biscuits. We want our creamy mixture on there. Now give it a little squidgy down as we go along, and we are going to try and smooth this, he says. Anyway, come on, let's have this in there, up against the sides. Now because we're making a cheesecake like this and we're going to put all the filling on there, try and smooth out a little bit towards the edge. It doesn't really matter about this. This is having all the fruit or pie filling or whatever you're going to use on there. But if we can have a nice edge, it will look neat. That's going to do me, and that is going back in the fridge, and we're going to let it set up for a couple of hours. Okay, come on there. That's our cheesecake look out of the fridge, or our cheesecake base. So let's just pop the tin and let's have that out of there. There we go. Out of there. Nice and easy. Now with this cheesecake, because we wrap that paper underneath, we can pull it out like that, nice and steady. So it just slides off the bottom, you know. So the bottom comes out all clean, and then you take your knife and you slide it off your paper like that. That base is the base for 1,000 cheesecakes. We're saying 1,000, I've absolutely no idea how many, because you can use it for whatever you like. You know, it is the base for a cheesecake. No bake, no gelatin, cheesecake base. Put anything on. So I've got this can full of blueberry stuff here. So we'll have that on there, look. Like that. Come up to the edge, not all the way over the edge. Remember I told you, try and keep it smooth towards the edge. Now you could go all the way over the edge if you want. That's up to you. And we can take a little bit of jelly like that, and we can nurture it to go down the side. Okay, it's not about the topping, it's any topping you like, it's about the cheesecake base altogether. So in here we want a slice. This is what it's about. Let's get in here. Look at that. So there we have it. That is a base for 1,000 cheesecakes. Come on. Straightforward base. Look at that. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Biscuit base, buttery, nice cream and cream cheese filling, tiny bit of sugar in there. That is amazing. For anyone who wants to make cheesecake, who's into baking, this no bake, no gelatin cheesecake base is the base for 1,000 variations of cheesecake. You can put whatever topping on there that you like. Strawberries, fresh fruit, anything, canned fruit. It don't matter. Anything. There you go. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make a no bake, no gelatin cheesecake base for 1,000 cheesecakes. So simple. Really is simple. And if you like what we're doing, it's a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. Amazing.